My name is Tessa Itanora. I'm currently living in Camarin, Caloocan City. I'm 38 years old. I'm single parent of two. My eldest was 18 years old. My youngest is 11 years old. I'm college undergraduate and I finished my vocational courses. I'm a licensed massage therapist, beautician, hairdresser, and caregiver. In 2017, I do on-the-job training in St. Anthony de Padua in home elderly care. I do their housekeeping, washing dishes, do laundry, and also get their vital sign. Sometimes I help them to go to bed, preparing their meals, and helping them to take a bath. And also, my work experience is a factory worker, promodizer, and massage therapist, hairdresser, and also a beautician. And now, my currently work is as of now is a freelancer, massage therapist, beautician, and a hairdresser, and also a caregiver. I'm do reliever and caregiver who needs a day off sometimes, and but now I am on the night. I do babysitting my nephews. He was 1 year old, my sister's baby, because my sister was busy in the night, so they have business light and sound, so I need to take care of the babies in the night. So in the morning, as I am a freelancer, so sometimes when I